Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to create and also sell your NFT. So let's begin. Now, the first thing you're going to need is your MetaMask wallet, and I have mine right here. Okay, I am on the Polygon matic mainnet because I'm going to be using Polygon for this NFT creation. You can use Ethereum. However, Ethereum gas fees are very high, so you can make an NFT with Polygon with very little cost. So let's get it. Let's set up that. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna connect to your Opensea account. Mine is already connected. I'm gonna go to my profile. Just gonna show you what I have. Okay. So this is some of the ones that I purchased. And of course, actually all of them are Polygon, very low. Of course, you also get I also get airdrop ones. Some of these hidden ones are airdrop. And so anyway, so this is my account right here. Of course, you gotta have an account to create an NFT in OpenSea. It's pretty straightforward. When you connect to your wallet, obviously this is my account, and this is the address right there. And you can put a Twitter. I put my Twitter link and also Instagram, and it's pretty much self-explanatory. Okay, so once you're in your OpenSea account, you're gonna click on Create, and you're gonna have to sign. Okay. So we're going to sign that. Then it's going to take you to the screen. Now we're going to create an NFT. Of course, you can use an image, video, audio, or 3D model. And these are the file types supported. So we're going to click on here to upload the NFT. We're going to use this one right here. And we have to give it a name. Okay. And external link, we don't have to do that. We don't have to make a description. Select a collection if you already have collection. We don't have to put any of this stuff here. This the blockchain, I am going to use Polygon because it is cheap, as you can see here. Polygon, okay. And the supply, I'm going to put 99999. Okay, so we're gonna put 900 and we're gonna put 9 million. Excuse me, sorry about that. You know what? I'm just gonna put. Let me round it off. I'll put 1 million. That is my supply. Okay, and we're gonna click on Create. And it says you created Killer Crawler. And of course I can share that with my Twitter account, which I will do. I'm gonna share that. I'm gonna tweet that. There you go. Okay. So this is how you create your NFT on OpenSea using Polygon. Okay, it did not cost anything. Now this would have been on the Ethereum. I would have had to pay a gas fee for this. But on Polygon, it's free. Okay, so we're going to do one more step. We're going to put it up for sale. So here, as you can see, it's minted. 1 million of Killer Crawler. Okay, so we're going to sell. And we're ready to sell. I put the quantity I minted 1 million of them, but I want to sell 10,000 for this particular order. I already put the amount there. I just put it for, I mean, I'm going to make it cheap. Okay, $5.93 in Polygon. Ethereum, excuse me. Duration, I'm going to leave it a month. There are more options here. Okay, so I'm not going to do all that. And complete the listing. Okay, so this is the way it is. This is the way it looks. I'm going to click on that. Okay. And this is how much it's going to cost. Okay. And we're going to sign that. And now your NFT is listed. You have listed Killer Crawler. And we're going to share that. Okay. And there you go. And that is it. Okay. So now it is listed. This is the collection. And there you go. That's how you create an NFT on Opensea and also put it up for sale. Okay. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share the video. If you like to see more content like this, subscribe to my channel. Okay? And I want to thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.